In this video, we will guide you through the whole process of how to post a job, review the applicants, shortlist the candidates, and schedule interviews with the candidates. To post a job, click on the Add Job subsection under the Jobs section from the side menu, fill out the information about your job in the Job Posting Details field, and then click Next. Fill out further data in the Job Description and Responsibilities field. Give an accurate description of your candidate requirements in the given field, and then click Next. Next, select your preferred candidate requirements such as previous job title, skills, language, etc. from the given fields. Click on the Publish button to publish your candidate profile requirement. Now, a pop-up will appear showing that your job has been published and is under review by the quality team of Talentmate. Click OK to proceed. If you view the Publish status column, you can know whether your job is active online or not. If the status shows under review, your job submission is still under review by the Talentmate team. If you see the status change to active, online, your job submission has been posted on Talentmate and is now active online. Here is a short illustration of how the candidates see your job posting. Let's see what happens when the candidate chooses to view job. Now the candidate can see your detailed job description and requirements. If your job description matches their profile, they will click the button Apply Job.
Now, go to the Candidates section and click on All Applicants. You can see the list of all candidates who applied for your job postings. Click on any candidate to view their details such as their basic info, education details, work experience, etc. Now, click on the subfield Candidate Resume to view the resume of the candidate. Click on the Actions button and select the action under Review if you want to review the candidature of the applicants. Then click Submit.
Once you take that action, the selected candidates will be moved to the Under Review subsection in your dashboard. Now to shortlist the candidates whom you have previously reviewed, click on the Action button again. Change the status to Shortlist for shortlisting the candidate for interview. Then click Submit. Now the shortlisted candidates will be moved to the Shortlisted subsection in your dashboard. To finally schedule an interview with a shortlisted candidate, click on the Action button again. Now change the status to Interview Scheduled for scheduling an interview with the candidate and click Submit. The candidate will receive a notification indicating that an interview has been scheduled with you.